All right, so for this lesson, we're going to start looking at a couple of scenarios. There's 4 scenarios that we're going to be looking at, and I want you to look at the temperature, see what's going on when we have different types of situations with water, and what phase it's in, and so this is all ice. This is a block of ice right here. You can see that. Can't turn that. There you go. It's a thermometer in a block of ice, and this was kind of hard to get into the freezer, but we figured out how to do that. And so I want you to take a look and see what is the temperature at, okay, so right there. What is the temperature approximately? You know, it's maybe a little above it, but you know, this is in a block. What is that temperature of just solid ice? Okay, so it's been sitting out for a little bit, but it is totally in there. And then we're going to take a look at other scenarios now. Okay, the next scenario we have is ice mixed with water. So we had a block of ice before. Now we have ice mixed with water. And we're going to take a look at that, see what we got for temperature. Ice mixed with water. Okay, so that is 0.1 degrees. Ideally, I would do the same thing with, I would have the electronic thermometer in the block of ice, but I don't think that would be a good idea to put the thermometer in the freezer, because that probably wouldn't work anymore. So there we have it, ice and water. Okay, so the next scenario we have is boiling water. So I have a flask with boiling water, and you can see the thermometer is in the water. So I don't know if you can see that. The thermometer is in the water, and I want you to look at the temperature of boiling water. I know it's not, I mean, it's pretty close to what we predicted. I know boiling water can actually have slightly different temperatures based on the pressure of the atmosphere, but that is the water itself. Okay, so make sure you take a look at that observation. Okay, here's the next scenario. We have water here, and it is boiling. I don't know if you can see that, but the thermometer is actually above the water. So I'm going to move this really close so you can see that a little bit better. And so that's not the actual boiling water. That is the steam above the water. Can you see that? And you should be able to look at the thermometer too, of what's going on with the thermometer. So what is that temperature of that steam that is right above the boiling water?